Okay, well, student, today we have to resume our previous class special entries. So we have left some 3-4 entries, so we have to finish that. After that, I will be discussing when we use goods for other than sales. So how do we record? Okay. So now some special entries for which we have to complete the topic. So here. Suppose that next whatever I think 11 number I have taught you all people, and today I'll be teaching from 12. Okay. For payment for payment of life insurance premium. Life insurance premium. Since we are doing a study of the sole proprietorship in accountancy in class 11, in sole proprietorship case, when owner pays his life insurance premium from the business money, so we call it drawing. We call it drawing. Okay, so you know that the payment of life insurance premium in single ownership business is called personal expenses, and personal expenses is known as drawing. So we will write drawing account debit. Okay, and two, if you are making payment through cash, we'll write cash. If you are making payment through check, we will write bank. Done. But in sometimes, if we pay for payment of fire insurance premium, of business property. If you are making payment for payment of fire insurance premium for the business property, so this will be called a business expenses, right? So this will be written as insurance premium account debit, and two, cash or bank, the mode what we are using for the payment, right? So I think students uh, you have clear when we make the payment for the life insurance and when for the fire insurance. Life insurance is a personal expenses, so it will be written as drawing, right? When we are making payment of fire insurance premium or insurance premium for the properties or goods for the business purpose, this will be called a business expenses, and hence will be written as insurance premium account debit to cash or bank account, right? Now, next one, putting paid income tax. So in case of single ownership business, income tax paid by the owner will be treated as personal expenses, right? So income tax also will be written as drawing. Narration, you can clarify for what you have made payment. Drawing account debit to cash. Just listen it carefully what I am saying. Income tax paid. So income tax is what? Income tax is charged on personal income. Income tax is charged on personal income. ठीक है? Personal income पे आप क्या करोगे? Drawing लिखोगे, ठीक है? So I think income tax you all are getting clear कि how will be passing the entry drawing debit to cash. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That is required you all have written yesterday. Okay, student, note it down. After that, now I'll start when we use goods for other than sales, right? जब हम goods को सेल करने की बजाय चैरिटी में देते हैं, when we give goods in charity, when we donate the goods, when we took the goods from the business for personal use, ठीक है? जब हम goods को personal use के लिए withdraw करते हैं, okay. So drawing is over now. Now I'm going to erase this and just draw the line for the other special entries. Okay. So now when we use goods for other than sales, okay. तो जब हम लोग गुड्स को सेल के बजाय किसी और काम में यूज करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट फॉर गिविंग इन चैरिटी, जब हम गुड्स को चैरिटी में देते हैं, तो चैरिटी इज व्हाट आर एक्सपेंसेस फॉर अस, charity is an expenses, so charity account will be debited, right? Because all the expenses and losses should be debited. And two, what is going? Goods. So goods is going, but we are not selling the goods. So when we purchase the goods, we write down the purchase account debit. But when we give the goods in case of charity, so we will write the purchase again, because purchase account is reducing by this amount. Two purchases account. Okay. So entries. Okay, students. So you can write. Now next, goods taken for personal use by proprietor. Personal use always do by the proprietor. Okay. So जब ओनर बिजनेस का गुड्स पर्सनल यूज के लिए विड्रॉ कर लेता है, तो हम क्या एंट्री करेंगे? तो वी विल राइट ड्राइंग, you know कि personal use is called drawing. Drawing account debit to purchase, because he is drawing up goods. Narration will be written goods taken by the owner for personal use. Okay. Now third. So goods given as free sample. जब हम लोग गुड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं एज अ फ्री सैंपल के रूप में, तो दिस इज व्हाट द मेन पर्पस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग गुड्स एज अ फ्री सैंपल is just for the advertisement. Sometimes the businessman choose this technique for the advertisement of their goods. So he distribute the goods as a free sample to their customer. Sometimes along with the other goods, he distributed the free sample, or sometimes only the goods are distributed as free sample. So whatever the method used by that proprietor to distribute the goods as free sample will be treated as an advertisement expenses, right? Advertisement expenses. So we will write advertisement account debit, because this is what advertisement and goods are going. So we will write to purchase. Okay. So is it clear? Now coming to the next slide. Fourth, when goods lost in transit, goods lost in transit, जब गुड्स हमारा रास्ते में चोरी हो जाता है या लॉस्ट हो जाता है तो लिखेंगे लॉस इन ट्रांजिट अकाउंट डेबिट थ्रू परचेज। नेक्स्ट, goods lost by fire, goods lost by fire, so we will write loss by fire account debit to purchase account। Goods lost by theft, goods lost by theft, loss by theft or stolen, whatever you can write, to purchase account। Okay. So this side I'm going to write bought furniture of rupees 20,000 and payment was made by issuing goods costing rupees 20,000. Okay, so now in this question, it is saying that we have purchased a furniture of rupees 20,000 and payment was made by issuing the goods of rupees 20,000. So we are getting the furniture. The furniture account will be debited because it's a real account and goods are going. So you will write it purchases account because you are not selling the goods. You are just giving at cost. So you will write purchase. Okay. So note it down. Okay, well, students, now we are coming to the next point. When goods are insured, okay, जब आपका goods insured किया हुआ है और उसके बाद goods आपका loss हो जाता है, ठीक है, loss of goods by fire or by some other reasons, so you will claim over the insurance company if you have insured, okay. So insurance are two types. First, if goods are partly insured. If goods are partly insured. Okay. So how will you do the entry? Just first entry you will do loss by goods are partly insured and lost by fire. ठीक है, गुड्स आपका पार्टली इंश्योर्ड है और गुड्स आपका आग से जल गया, लॉस्ट बाय फायर, राइट? सो यू विल राइट लॉस बाय फायर अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज. Okay, and then you will claim to the insurance company. Suppose that if you have taken the partly insured of the goods, the insurance company will not make payment of the full loss. Okay, insurance company suppose that admitted the claim up to some extent, right? So you will write insurance claim account debit to the extent admitted. मीन्स जितने रुपए का इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ने क्लेम एडमिट किया उतने रुपए से उससे डिवाइड करो, बाकी आप क्या लिखेंगे? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, क्या होगा? नॉट एडमिटेड. जितने रुपए का क्लेम एडमिट नहीं हुआ वो अमाउंट यहाँ होगा, एंड टू लॉस बाय फायर. लॉस बाय फायर आपका फुल अमाउंट होगा यहाँ पर, फुल अमाउंट ऑफ व्हाट? जितने रुपए से आपने यहाँ पर आपका लॉस हुआ है, ठीक है? कॉस्ट ऑफ लॉस ऑफ गुड्स. जितने रुपए का गुड्स लॉस हुआ उसकी कीमत से आपने लॉस में पार्ट डेबिट किया, टू परचेस किया, तो यही वाला जो अमाउंट है ये यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, ठीक है? ये यहाँ से ट्रांसफर होगा, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर तो आपका लॉस बाय फायर अकाउंट जो आपने ओपन किया था वो यहाँ आकर क्लोज हो गया, ठीक है? फुल अमाउंट जितने का था. अब यहाँ पर अभी हमने इंश्योरेंस क्लेम डेबिट किया है जबकि कंपनी ने सिर्फ एडमिट किया है. सपोज दैट इफ कंपनी पेड द क्लेम अमाउंट. क्लेम अमाउंट में जितने रुपए का कंपनी ने एडमिट किया था अब उसका पेमेंट हो रहा है, ये वाला क्लेम जितने का किया था वो पेमेंट हो रहा है तुम्हें. पेमेंट होगा तो पैसा आएगा, वी विल राइट बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंश्योरेंस क्लेम अकाउंट, ठीक है? क्लेम मनी रिसीव्ड. तो ये जितने रुपए का क्लेम था ये खत्म. तो बैंक की एंट्री देखो तब करेंगे जब पेमेंट होगा. अगर केवल एडमिट वर्ड दिया है तो इंश्योरेंस क्लेम को आप डेबिट किए, जितना नहीं किया प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, लॉस बाय फायर. जब ये पैसा देगा तो लिखेंगे बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंश्योरेंस का, राइट? ये बैंक वाली एंट्री तभी होगी जब पेमेंट होगा. तो ये तीन एंट्री मैंने बताया आपको जबकि पार्टली इंश्योर्ड है, ओके, ठीक है? और जब फुल्ली इंश्योर्ड होगा तो कैसे करेंगे वो बताएंगे. आप इसको नोट कर लो. डन. So now the next topic is if goods are fully insured. So in this case, If goods are lost by fire, so you will do the entry loss by fire account debit to purchase. Okay. Here cost of loss of goods. Okay. Now second, on claim to company, to insurance company. जब हम क्लेम करते हैं, क्लेम करने में लिखेंगे इंश्योरेंस। कितने लोग कंपनी भी लिख देते हैं तो वो भी सही है। इंश्योरेंस क्लेम अकाउंट डेबिट टू लॉस बाय फायर। ये तब होता है जब आपका पूरा का पूरा एडमिट कर लिया जाता है ना, क्लेम एडमिटेड। जब क्लेम एडमिट हो गया पूरा तो उसी अमाउंट से आप कर लिए। थर्ड एंट्री ऑन क्लेम रिसीव्ड, क्लेम मनी रिसीव्ड। जब हम क्लेम मनी हमको मिलता है तो क्या लिखेंगे, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंश्योरेंस क्लेम। ठीक है, ये आपको क्लेम का पैसा मिल जाएगा, जो आपने एडमिट किया है वही पैसा यहाँ पर लिखोगे, तो उतना ही मिलना है। ओके, तो आप इससे लिख लो। आई होप कि दिस इज अंडरस्टूड बाय यू ऑल पीपल। आई विल बी सॉल्विंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास बाय टेकिंग द न्यूमेरिकल।